The first 15 seconds of a demand generation call are super difficult. There's 3 stages to a dem gen call. The initiation, wow, look, we got it here, the conversation, and then the next step. But the interesting thing, the toughest part is that initiation, and here's why. The person you're calling has about 10 to 15 seconds before they put up a symbolic wall on that discussion, because people don't like calls from salespeople. Why? Because we've all been doing this so badly for the last 30 years. When that happens, we've got to figure out a way of preventing the wall that we can't get through or breaking through it. And there's 2 strategies that we like to help them in that first 10 or 15 seconds. At the core, by the way, you're trying to help them answer 2 questions. Why should they listen? Why should they care? I've only got 10 or 15 seconds to convince you you should listen to me and you should care about what I'm saying. The way to do that is, A, be very good at articulating the value proposition for your company in a very quick, concise way. And that's a 3-legged stool. What do? How does what you do tie to a desired business outcome of the person you're calling? And third, what's unique and different about you guys given there are other options in the marketplace? The second way to break through the wall is to do research on that person. Understand who they are, what their company does, the industry it plays in, and find a point of interest. If you can showcase that you've done that research in the first 10 to 15 seconds intelligently, the theory of reciprocity comes to play, and they feel like you've earned the right for at least the second stage of the process, which is the conversation.